Hi, I'm Scott.
And I'm Lee.
Join us as we journey around the world.
We are leaving the Cameron Highlands and heading towards Kuala Lumpur.
Our bus has just taken a stop and to go to the restroom, and then there's some food. It is typical for the buses to take a break, a stop for you, but there's not always food. So always bring a snack of some kind. We got lucky this time, but we were prepared with some peanut butter and crackers at least. Scott just went out on a limb and ordered the lychee fruit drink.
Not that good.
He's trying to pawn it off on me now. He's like, "Are you sure you don't want it?"
But you like lychee fruit, so hey.
Like, no, this one is all yours. Actually have some home-cooked food. Again, this is just a rest area. We're almost to Kuala Lumpur. I think Scott said that the bus ride was about $9 from Cameron Highlands to
City Central.
really good deal. We got on at 11 o'clock and we're due to arrive 2:30. It's 3 o'clock, but it looks like we're getting close. This is always the part that I like the least in our travels. It's when we arrive, it's trying to get a taxi, a Grab, a Bolt, somehow to get to our next location, to our hotel. It never seems to be as smooth as it should be. But maybe it'll work out for us this time in Kuala Lumpur.
Hopefully.
I feel like we're on the Amazing Race. We got dropped off. We had to ask the security guy where the mailboxes were. Then we had to put in a special code to have access to one key only, it says. Then we come into this elevator. You have to have this key card to activate your floor. Now we're going to get off on floor 20 and then go check in there and grab our packet, which has our room key in it.
Hurry up, Scott. Go, so we can be team number one.
To tell you that you are team number one. You as the winners of this leg of the race, you have won $2,500 each.
This Airbnb was great. They had unlimited access to linens, water, coffee, tea, even instant noodle soup. All the laundry services that you would need, all of that was included. This was really a great Airbnb.
I see our name, got our bag. Hey, we're ready.
In Southeast Asia, you will often see flip-flops provided in the room, as it is a custom to take your shoes off before entering someone's home.
It's a pretty stunning view from the room. We are on the hop-on, hop-off Kuala Lumpur bus ride. It's the nighttime city lights tour. There's only so many seats available up top, so we actually waited for a second bus to come, but get here early. I'm talking an hour in advance. as there was at 8 o'clock and at 4 o'clock. We caught it just in time before the rain came.
The rail system in Kuala Lumpur is fantastic.
What a nice store. Caught him. He's in the cookie and no, he's in the chip aisle. Oh, he's in the cookie aisle. Busted. He's got him a yoga mat.
Fresh fruits.
You're looking for the fresh fruit down the cookie and chip aisle? Here's the Lay's chips. Are they all popped and laced? It's from Alexis's days in the working for internship with Lay's. I don't think so. Pop and lace means they gotta all be, there you go, all be stacked nicely. We're in the ladies' restroom. A little bit of a strange thing to have on a video, but it's to show you that in the toilet stalls, there's not always toilet paper, but there might be out here by the sink area. This is good stuff to know, so you don't get caught in the bathroom with your pants down and no toilet paper.